cheers to start of the day with some good old green celery juice. So I've been trying to not drink coffee in the morning and I started with celery juice instead. So my brain's a little bit slow, but I do feel a lot better. It's like drinking a cup of water, you know, a big cup of water. This is the second month that I am on Differin, which is adapalene. It's a type of retinoid. What Differin does is supposedly refines your skin texture, helps cell renewal, and it speeds up cell turnover so your skin exfoliates quickly. I actually use a moisturizer, a fragrance-free, alcohol-free, no colored moisturizer, just a very simple one. And I just lay it down on my skin first. Now I still have some dots, you can see here, but it's not nearly as bad as a month ago. For sunscreen, when your skin is delicate like this, I really recommend the MD. This is the broad spectrum UV clear SPF 46. I also like the ISNTREE hyaluronic acid, 8 types of hyaluronic acid, and it is a chemical filter. Pretty cute. I mean, without the belt, it's cute, but I was thinking maybe like a peplum belt like this. Very pretty. This trick that I saw Makeup Ariel that kind of blew my mind is when he took the contour shade and kind of just like blended it into the eyebrow to set the eyebrow powder. So crazy good. It's super natural too. Yay, Sandy's here. And this is the backdrop. This is how we shoot at home. Kind of looks like a matcha strawberry shortcake. Are you good at it?
Do you want to switch it?
No, it's good. I mean, the consistency is like so...
It's different?
Yeah, like so... Cute! So good. Yay.
Share in the background. It's a good night.
Oh my gosh, the gayest of the gay.
I swallowed
We had already blown each other, but
Party. So we're a little bit tipsy.
No, she was a fireball.
What color? I want
Dude, that's actually really cute.
Yay.
Pride.
So it is nighttime and I'm trying to do my nighttime skincare routine. This is how I would use my adapalene at night. The one I use is the Differin brand. I know there are different brands out there. I'm going with this Hada Labo lotion first. It's a multi-hyaluronic acid serum to draw in moisture. And then I'm gonna coat my neck with aloe vera because it's been kind of sensitive. I don't know how people put like body oil all over. Sometimes I do, but most of the time it gets really sticky and I don't really like that on the pillow, so I'll just use aloe vera gel. I'm gonna go in with this large Posay. But I feel like my skin is definitely purging, so I have to be patient. I just use this much adapalene. Like literally half the pump. Focus it mostly on my forehead right here and the cheek area. I've also gotten the bad habit of scrolling on Reddit, skincare Reddit at nighttime. Like anytime I have a breakout or try a new product, I like start scrolling and reading ingredients and people's experiences about it. And I have to remember that everyone's skin is different. Like I can't go off of somebody's Reddit opinion, right? Because a lot of people don't talk about like how horrible the purging phase is on the internet. They'll like only show like the good parts of it. And even though my skin is not horrible, like there are definitely like, there's 3 big breakouts right here, you know? So, and how I know it's purging versus irritation is because like the skin around the pimples are really clear, like it's very like glowy still, but the pimple itself comes and heals really quickly. That's how I know it's kind of like purging versus irritation, where the entire area is just inflamed and red and itchy. Apartment tours to come, because I mean, I'm not set on a place yet, even though I do like some of them, you know. I really want to just get it over with. You know how like when everything's up in the air and you're not moving yet, you don't really feel like committing to anything? That's how I kind of feel right. And even though I can't show up perfectly right now, that doesn't even matter. Sorry, I'm like rambling about my thoughts. I just want to show up and show that life isn't perfect. Because there's so much curated perfect content out there. I would feel really inauthentic to just show up at a new apartment all packed and ready and be like, hey, welcome to my apartment. It's not stressful, like everything's so beautiful. It could be worse, and the more gratitude I practice, the better it will end up being for myself, for my mental health, you know. My neck feels a little bit better. I sat on the couch and did a little bit of warm massage. Our place sent me these mugs, these pride mugs. They're so cute. Wow.
That is really beautiful, actually.
Yeah. You could sell that for $7. Queer owned. Some turmeric. Wow.
Ooh.
My turmeric latte. Yum. Now it's $7.50. I don't know. Turmeric and coffee?
I was thinking that. I was
It's
like,
kinda
why'd you
like
put
sour.
turmeric in it?
It's good for inflammation. And my neck is currently inflamed. So the apartment that I saw today was really, it looked really nice. The finishes were great. It was light wood with black hardware, black metal. So the vibe was really nice. And then the outside was like concrete or stucco, unfinished. So it looked really industrial yet still homey. The only thing is that it didn't get any direct sunlight. I want to be honest with the pricing just so you get an idea of what to expect in LA, because I think that's really important. So the 2-bedroom I think was around 3.5 to 3.6 grand US dollars. That was in Echo Park, and the 1-bedroom was quite pricey actually. It was 2.75K. This is one unit in K-Town with 2 bedrooms. It was so bright. I really liked it. It had curved walls. I posted this on Instagram and a lot of you guys seem to like it. It was very pricey. It was around 3.9 grand. Yes, 3.9 grand per month. So I don't think I'm going to rent from this one because it's just out of my budget. It is 2-bedroom though, and the 2nd bedroom gets so much sunlight. This could be like a studio or something. And this is a loft unit, also in the same building. Very high ceilings, 1 bathroom. This is the kitchen and living space. Very spacious. Very high ceilings, like I said. It doesn't have a bedroom, so it goes up into the loft area, and the loft also overlooks the entire apartment. It's gorgeous. This was about 3.3 grand. Quite expensive for what it is, but the rooftop and the amenities were so beautiful. I won't be renting here, but I just wanted to share because it's just a very beautiful unit in general, and the view was great. It looks really, really good. Ooh, can't wait. Have some. Just gonna try. Might be too salty. I don't know. Wow. It's actually so good. It smells really good. I'm not gonna use chopsticks on camera. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's hot, man. So good. Oh my god. Oh wow. Not to toot my own horn. Wow. Yum, so easy.
She's really good.
Cheyenne. Just sesame oil, oyster sauce and soy sauce, garlic, and whatever chili you want, and then just add it. Oh yeah, I added some curry and turmeric powder also, just for some antioxidant and some earthiness. I love this Pharmacy Green Clean makeup, their lip. This Green Clean Makeup Multiple Cleansing Balm. I've tried so many. I've hopped around so many brands, but this one is really good. Even though it does have a pretty strong fragrance, it doesn't irritate my skin, and I use it while I'm on Differin. And then I'm gonna do an Epsom salt bath later to relax my muscles. I realized I have a very tight pelvic floor, so I'm trying to rest that as much as I can. Oh no, I have a pimple patch. Oops. Wow.